Magic 89.9.
Fana with a song called Tabla, and oh my God, guys, of course it's gonna be Tabla because right now meron akong katapat. We have someone here in the booth, and it is no other than Fana herself. Hi, what is up? Welcome to the Magic booth.
Hello, hi Magic. Thank you so much for having me.
Yes, how are you? How has it been for the past first 3 weeks of January 2026?
I'm good and I'm very happy kasi finally na-release na yung album last year, yeah.
And I told her, I first listened to her with Illest and then Janine, yung tayo lang may alam. It had the beats of like going to Siargao. But I haven't been there. So I was like, oh, this is something that I want to, listen to anytime when I'm like at home, out of work.
Yeah.
But yeah, I fanboyed for a bit.
Thank you.
So how are you doing, not just as an artist, not just as Fana, but as am I allowed to say your real name?
It's okay, Fana. Yeah, I'm actually singing talaga yung
Ever since.
singing, yeah. Music is my
has
passion.
been your life.
Yeah.
Oh, okay, so in case people don't know, she has been doing this since she was 7, right? And
Yeah.
you've been in the spotlight literally for a long time. How has it been like? Do you ever get tired of it, or like does it just give you more hunger?
Fun fact is, during nung 7 ako, sobrang hindi ko nabivision pa na I become a singer,
Yeah.
performer, kasi I just used to jam with my parents kasi my parents are both singers.
Yeah.
So, jam lang ako ganyan.
Sound trip lang ganyan.
Sound trip lang. Kasi iba yung gusto ko nung bata ako. Like, more on games, video games, yung mga PSP.
Game Boy,
Yung
ganyan.
Game Boy, yeah.
Yes.
And ayun, na-discover ko, parang nag-enjoy na ako habang nagja-jam. So sabi ko, I think ito talaga yung passion ko, singing talaga. So I tried joining a contest.
Yeah,
So my first ever contest was in school.
Oh,
Yeah, and trinay ko lang talaga.
try lang tapos panalo.
Pero totoo. Pero sobrang unexpected. Yung sabi ko, ha? Paano nangyari? And ayun, after no, nagtuloy-tuloy na, nag-join na ako ng The Voice, Idol Philippines.
Yeah, I don't.
And after that, maraming nag-open na doors for me. Like, events. And music, of course. Nakapag-release ako ng single. And part din ako ng Himig Handog. Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah.
I love yung wag paglaruan. Anyways, sorry, nag-ano lang. It is like a video game pa rin. No? You were leveling up, doing a lot of
Yeah.
side quests. Kung tutusin, para ka ng Smurf account sa sobrang dami.
Parang ina-unlock mo yung...
a lot of tiers, a lot of good gears as well, and
Yeah.
experiences. No, yung skills mo sa singing naka-max out na ganyan.
Yeah.
So, ayun. So this new EP of yours released back in November, it's self-titled. A lot of people have been doing that. Pero specifically, since you've piqued my interest, mahilig ka pala sa games din. I am also a gamer.
Really?
Yeah, I love playing mga bakit naging sa akin? Basta yun, mamaya pag-usapan natin. So your self-titled EP is called Fana. Why is it self-titled EP?
Fan na kasi gusto ko makilala nila yung like yung sound ko talaga as Fana. Kasi for sure yung iba nakilala nila ako as Fatima. Fatima yung contest. So now this is Fana. This is my sound.
Claiming this is your identity now.
Yeah.
Exactly. Okay. So let's talk about your song earlier, Tabla. It was I'd say, guys, it is a banger. Certified banger.
Thank you.
It's talking about emotional boundaries, diba? Na parang, up, dyan, dito.
Yeah.
Ganyan tayo, set this apart, ganyan. Let's make it clear, right?
Yes.
I want to say, like, what made you, made sure that this song is part of Fana?
2 years ago, ito na talaga yung gusto kong topic. Like, yung alam mo yung may boundary. Kasi ang daming marupok. Aminin yung maraming marupok sa atin.
Yung sa isang salita lang,
Oo,
hulog
yung-
na agad.
Oo, yung parang okay lang paglaruan, pero para sa akin hindi.
Yes.
Kasi syempre alam mo dapat yung worth mo. Yung value mo as a person, and yun yung gusto ko ma-realize ng ibang tao with this album na, di ba, guys, magising tayo. Na hindi tayo pwedeng basta lang paglaruan.
Oo. Na hindi ka na parang you're not just an option, di ba? There is a lyric there, alam kong hangganan mo, alam kong hangganan ko.
Yeah.
Which is such a huge thing kasi a lot of people right now are people pleasers, no? And they're willing to be martyrs for themselves.
Ang daming martyrs.
Oh, I wanted to ask, no, this might be a bit personal, but when did you personally learn that lesson? Or was it 2 years ago din talaga?
2 years ago. Pero kasi, observer kasi ako. So, ayaw
So-
mo ganun.
so ibang
Ayaw
tao.
i-relate sa isa. Pero,
Okay lang naman.
pero totoo na observer talaga ako. So, nakikita ko sa ibang friends ko na, alam mo yung parang, okay lang. Parang para sa akin, hindi yan okay. So, tsaka ang hirap kasi pag walang label din, di ba? Yung relationship.
Yes.
Parang habang tumatagal, mas lalong sumasakit. Di ba totoo?
Pinagdadaanan natin. Pero yun, yeah, I get you. A lot of people need that certain wake-up call. And for a lot of them, it is through music, right? You worked with a lot of big names for this self-titled EP. You got Sir Jonathan Manalo. No?
Yes.
Was there a moment in the studio where habang ginagawa niyo yung mga songs, we're recording it, we're like, oo, ito talaga, this is me, this is Fana, this is my identity.
Yun, 2 years ago, itong Tabla Tayo, na binigay na sa akin na song na to. This was composed by Dana Balagtas. The amazing Dana Balagtas. And I really liked the song before talaga. Pero iba kasi yung arrangement niya before.
Oh.
So sabi ko, ngayon na ayun na nga i-release, sabi ko parang I think baguhin yung arrangement. Kasi para maging cohesive
Sa theme ng mo,
Yeah.
ng EP mo.
Then sabi ni Sir John, sige ako na bahala. Then in just like one day siguro, sinend na sa akin ni Sir John yung bagong arrangements. I was amazed kasi grabe yun yung...
Ang bilis.
Ang bilis and sobrang bagay. Sobrang galing ni Sir John talaga. Kaya thank you so much, Sir John.
No, tsaka like listening to the whole thing sa EP mo, all of it like, smooth talaga. Yung wag paglaruan kasi it was originally a collab diba with
with Tiara Shea.
Tiara, oo. And then I liked it kasi it kind of had like a mini hyper pop vibe. Tas it was your version.
Yeah.
And it still felt like it is yours, ganon. So I really like that.
Thank you.
Quick one before we head on over for your performance with your leading track sa EP. And I ask you this. I'll change it up a bit but it's still related to food.
Okay.
Imagine your whole EP as like a buffet. Ano yung una mong kukunin na food?
Parang mahirap. OMG, mahirap to.
Sorry.
Parang mas nahirapan ako dito.
Kesa sa
Kasi
food na lang,
sobrang love ko lahat ng songs.
Yes. Uy, pwede naman kumuha ng lahat sa isang plato. Like, ano lang yung uunahin mo lang?
Uunahin. For now is, hirap talaga. Pero sige, wait lang. Mag-iisip ako. Siguro, Tabla Tayo.
Tabla tayo. So, yun yung parang main meal, Ganon.
Oo, kasi very powerful siya eh.
Oo.
Parang, kunyari, kung sa food, isang kagat mo pa lang, alam mo na yung...
Packed with flavors, parang ano ka na talaga.
Alam mo na
grabe.
yung message,
Oo,
diba?
yeah. Okay,
Yung
that is amazing.
intention.
Okay, that is amazing. Okay, without further ado, we have Fana in the booth. She'll be performing her song, Meron, Pero Wala, here on today's Best Music. We're Magic 89.9.
Andyan ka na naman. Ba't ganyan mo ko titigan? Pag ganyan alam ko na kung saan to pupunta. Pag ako naman sa'yo nagpaparamdam, di mo rin iniiwasan. Tuloy ako't sasakyan mo lang. Bakit di maamin ang meron sa atin? Bakit pa nasanay na hanap ka palagi? Parang meron pero wala. Meron pero wala naman tayo. Ang isip ko'y lito, ba't di natin maamin? Meron pero wala. Meron pero wala. Di ba nagsasawa? Pag lahat sila'y nagtatanong, minsan nabibigkon, bakit palaging ganon? Kahit di mo pansinin sila'y paulit-ulit. Ang nakikita sa atin di matatagong pilit. Walang diretsong sagot, lahat binubulong. Para tayong nahihiya, bakit nga ba ganun? Pag tinanong kita kung anong nga bang tawag sa atin, parang kausap sa wala, daig mo pa ang hangin. Bakit di maamin, amin ang meron sa atin? Bakit pa nasanay na hanap ka palagi? Parang meron pero wala. Meron pero wala. Naman tayo, ang isip ko'y lito. Ba't di natin maamin? Meron pero wala. Meron pero wala. Di ba nasasawa?
Meron pero wala, patay sinde, diba? Ang puso ay tumitibok pag dumating ka na. Make me feel all special, send me text like how I miss you. But when label comes biglang bitaw, got me thinking what's the issue? Maybe feeling blue, maybe we're confused. The situation got me thinking this ain't usual. Every day nagtatanong na tayo, bakit hindi? Wala namang mawawala kung sumugal ka rin, babe. If you talking about commitment and you wanna continue, pero hindi pa ba too early, take it seriously with you. Pero bakit ganito? Nagkaka-feelings ako. Meron pero wala, kaya nakakalito.
Bakit hindi maamin namin ang meron sa atin? Bakit pa nasanay na hanap ka palagi? Parang meron pero wala. Tayo ang isip ko'y lito. Ba't natin maamin? Meron pero wala. 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 Wala namang tayo. Meron pero wala. Paano na tayo? Meron pero wala. Ako'y litong-lito pag-ibig na. Wala namang tayo. Meron pero wala. Paano na tayo? Meron pero wala. Ako'y litong-lito pag-ibig na. Pero wala. Meron pero
Today's Best Music Magic 89.9. Fana once again in the booth. Oh my gosh. It's like if ever I won't say I'm in love, so Hercules na song would be turned into yours as well. If you haven't seen it, Hercules, although I think you should have. Watch it, grabe. Ang galing.
you
Meron
so
pero wala.
much.
That is a meron pero wala. And it is now time for you to plug. How can people find you and where will they find you?
First of all, thank you so much, Magic 89.9, for having me. And I'd like to promote my album, Fana, available in all digital music streaming platforms. And of course, you can also watch the music video of Meron Pero Wala. Yeah, I'm with Jameson Blake. So, panoorin niyo po yan. And if you want to be updated sa mga ganaps or events, you can follow me on my social media accounts, fana.official. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, Fana. And hopefully you come back here.
Yeah, I'd
we'll
love
have
to.
more of your music. And sige, magpipigil ako sa pag-fanboy, guys. Search her up, stream her music everywhere on all digital platforms. And we'll have her back. But for now, bring it back to the music. We got BB No Money with a song called Gigolo, only here on Today's Best Music for Magic 89.9.
Magic 89.9.